The Industrial Revolution and its effects, transforming society and shaping the modern world. The Industrial Revolution stands as one of the most profound transformations in human history, marking a shift from agrarian and handmade production to mechanized manufacturing and urbanization. Beginning in the late 18th century in Britain and spreading globally throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries, this period reshaped economies, societies, and daily life in ways that continue to influence us today. Origins and key innovations. The Industrial Revolution emerged in Britain primarily due to a convergence of factors: abundant natural resources like coal and iron ore, a stable political environment fostering innovation, a growing population ready for urban labor, and advancements in technology. Key innovations such as the spinning jenny, steam engine, and mechanized loom revolutionized industries like textiles, mining, and transportation. These technological breakthroughs dramatically increased productivity, driving economic growth and laying the foundation for modern industrialized society. Economic impact. Economically, the Industrial Revolution sparked unprecedented growth and wealth accumulation. Factory production replaced cottage industries, leading to mass production of goods at lower costs. The division of labor and specialization increased efficiency, while the use of machinery reduced reliance on human and animal labor. This shift fueled urbanization as rural populations migrated to cities in search of factory jobs, fundamentally altering demographic patterns and creating new social classes. Social changes and urbanization. Socially, the Industrial Revolution brought profound changes. Rapid urbanization led to the growth of cities, with rural migrants living in crowded and unsanitary conditions. The factory system introduced harsh working conditions, long hours, and child labor, sparking movements for workers' rights and labor reforms. Social mobility increased as new opportunities arose in industry and commerce, though disparities between wealthy industrialists and impoverished workers widened. Technological advancements and global impact. Technologically, the Industrial Revolution spurred advancements in communication, transportation, and medicine. Railways and steamships facilitated faster travel and trade, linking distant regions and accelerating globalization. Innovations in communication, such as the telegraph, revolutionized how information was transmitted across vast distances. Medical discoveries and improvements in public health, driven by scientific inquiry, contributed to longer life expectancy and better living conditions. Environmental and cultural implications. Environmentally, the Industrial Revolution had mixed consequences. While it spurred resource extraction and pollution, it also prompted awareness of environmental impacts and paved the way for later conservation efforts. Culturally, the era witnessed shifts in art, literature, and philosophy, reflecting the tumultuous changes and grappling with the consequences of industrialization on human life and nature. Legacy and contemporary relevance. The Industrial Revolution's legacy endures in modern society. It laid the groundwork for technological advancements that continue to shape our world, from digital technologies to renewable energy. Its impact on global trade and economic systems remains profound, influencing patterns of globalization and international relations. Moreover, debates persist about balancing industrial progress with sustainability and addressing socio-economic inequalities exacerbated by rapid industrialization. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution was a watershed moment in human history, transforming economies, societies, and cultures worldwide. Its effects, both positive and negative, continue to shape our modern world. From the mechanization of production to the rise of urban centers and the evolution of social norms, the Industrial Revolution exemplifies the power of human innovation and its profound consequences on our shared history and future. Understanding its complexities helps us navigate contemporary challenges and opportunities in an increasingly industrialized and interconnected global landscape.